Right side, left side, right side. Jump. Round. Round. Jump. 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 Stop. Stop, everyone. Relax. If you want, drink water. Kaushik, I am smart. Sit down. Kaushik, I want to see your face. Sit down. Not on the floor. Yeah, on the chair itself. Okay. Shall we go for our attendance, okay? Then we move for exam, okay? Yes or no? Yes. Oh, Pritika is showing the thumb. Very good. Very good. Oh, very good. Okay. Harship. Harship.
Da.
What do you have to say? Harship, what happened, Kanna? Why are you crying? Kaushik.
Kaushik.
Kaushik. What do you have to say? Here I am. Here I am.
How do you do?
Jasna.
How do you do?
Here I am.
Jasna.
How do you do?
Okay, very good. Pinishwan.
How do you do?
Fine, Kanna. Nishwan. Nishwan.
Today.
Very good. Satvik.
Here I am. How do you do?
Very good. Ritika. Ritika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Sai Lakshmi.
Here I am.
Very good. Only one is absent. You know who is absent today? Sarvesh.
Register.
Yes. Okay. Are you excited for the maths exam? Yes or no? Show me your thumb. Everyone show me a thumb. Yes, and just say yes, ma'am. No, go not in mute. Only you have to do the action. Yes. Yes. Okay. Ma'am will be send you the question paper in your chat box. Yes, Kaushik. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, please, can you please send me the question paper? Everyone see the chat box. Parents, can you please see the chat box? See the question paper in the chat box. Everyone open that. If you open, please show me a thumb, parents. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. When we open the, when we click the link, we have to open our math exam. What? You have to write down your name of the student. Parents, can you please write down name of the student? Parents, just fill name of the student. Here you have to write name of the student. Parents, just fill the name, student name, just fill the name. Okay. Shall we move for the first number question? Okay. First number question is, what number will become after 2? What number will come after 2? First number question is, what number will come after 2? There was a 3 option. Click any option. What number will come after 2? What number will come after 2? Question number first. What number will come after 2? First number question. What number will come after 2? Okay. We move to the second number question. What number will come after 4? What number will come after 4? Second number question. What number will come after 4? what number will come after 4? Second number question is, what number will come after 4? What number will come after 4? Second number question is, what number will come after 4? Second number question is, what number will come after 4? We move to the third number question. See the pattern was here. See the pattern, flowers, apple, flowers, apple, flowers. What comes next?
Payal ma'am, why you didn't present the question paper?
Ma'am, I am presenting, ma'am.
No, it's not visible for me.
Screen is presenting.
Now only the presentation will be, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Third number question. What comes next? There was a pattern. Flower, apple, flower, apple, flower. What will become next? What come next? See the pattern. What pattern will become next? Flower, apple, flower, apple, flower. What pattern will become next? See the option and click one option. What comes next? Flower, apple, flower, apple, flower. There was a pattern. See the pattern, look at the pattern and click the option. What comes next? Flower, apple, flower, apple, flower. What come next? See the pattern, look at the pattern and click one option. Look at the pattern. First, look at the pattern, everyone. Look at the pattern. What come next? What pattern will become next? We move to the fourth number question. Find the oval shape. Find the oval shape. Look at the picture and find the oval shape. Look at the picture and find the oval shape. Look at the picture, find the oval shape. Fourth number question is, find the oval shape. Look at the picture and find the oval shape. Find the oval shape. Three shapes was there. Just click a oval shape. Find the oval shape. Look at the picture click one option. Find the oval shape. Find the oval shape. We move for the fifth number question. Which vegetable is big from the given picture? Which vegetable is big from the given picture? See the picture. What vegetables is big? Click that option. Fifth number question is which vegetable is big from the given picture? See the picture. What vegetable is big? Click that option. Fifth number question is which vegetable is big from the given picture? Fifth number question is which vegetable is big from the given picture? Fifth number question is which vegetable is big from the picture? Fifth number question is which vegetable is big from the given picture? Look at the picture, click the option. We move to the sixth number question. What is the shape of the coin? Look at the picture, click one option. What is the shape of the coin? What is the shape of the coin? Sixth number question. What is the shape of the coin? Sixth number question. What is the shape of the coin? Sixth number question. What is the shape of the coin? Look at the picture and click one option. What is the shape of the coin? What is the shape of the coin? Sixth number question. We move to the seventh number question. Count the given object and select the answer. See the image. What image is this, kid? Flower. Count the flower and choose the correct answer. Count the flower, look at the flower and count the flower and choose the correct answer. Seventh number question is count the given object and select the answer. Seventh number question, count the flower, choose one option. Seventh number question, count the flower and choose one option. Seventh number question. Count the given object and select the answer. Seventh number question is count the given object and select the answer. Count the flower, choose one option. Image is flower. Count the flower and choose the option. Seven number question. Count the given object and select the answer. We move to the eighth number question. Which is small from the given of the picture? Which is the small from the given picture? Eighth number question is, look at the picture, click one option. Which is the small one? Which is the small one? Eighth number question is, which is the small from the given picture? Eighth number question is, look at the picture and click one option. Which is the small from the given picture? Look at the picture, which is the small one?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am Satvik mother, ma'am. We can't click the option 1. It is select. It is not select.
You can't able to select, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Option 1, option 2 and option 3 we can select. Only option 1 we could not select.
I'm able to see, ma'am. I'm able to click the option. See, you click the middle one. If click the picture itself, ma'am. Satvik,
Oh.
ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am.
You click the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
But it selected option 3, ma'am. For us.
When you click the picture, automatically all this three picture will be clicked, ma'am.
No. If I click option 1, it is not select. Option 2, if I click option 2, it is select. And option 3.
Okay, ma'am. Just I will give you 2 minutes, ma'am. You just again you have to click the option link and again you have to fill the answer, ma'am.
Oh,
Can you
okay,
able to do that, ma'am? I will give you
Okay.
2 minutes time, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Other parents, can you please support? Others, you don't have a issue about this?
I must select. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Just 2 minutes.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much, parents. Satvik, mom, did you click
Yes,
the
ma'am.
option?
Yes, ma'am. We got
Okay,
it now.
are you now able to click the option?
Option 1, yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
We
you.
move for the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. We move for the ninth number question. What comes before 6? What comes before 6? 9 number question. What comes before 6? Nine number question is, what comes before 6? What comes before 6? Count your finger and do it. Everyone, open your fingers, just count it and click the option. Nine number question is what comes before 6? Just count your finger, kids. What comes before 6? Nine number question is what comes before 6? We move to the 10th number question. Find the rectangle shape. Look at the picture and find the rectangle shape. Look at the picture. Find the rectangle shape. 10th number question is find the rectangle shape. Find the rectangle shape. Find the rectangle shape. Find the rectangle shape. 10th number question is find the rectangle shape. Tenth number question is find the rectangle shape. Look at the picture, click one option. Find the rectangle shape. We move to the 11th number question. Count the given object and choose one option. 11th number question, see the balloons, count the balloons and click one option. 11th number question, count the given object and choose one option. Look at the balloons, count the balloons and choose one option. 11th number question is count the balloon and choose one option. Count the balloon and choose one option. Count the balloon and choose one option. Count the given object and choose one option. 11th number question is count the given object and choose one option. See the balloon, count the balloon and choose one option. We move to the 12th number question. Find the biggest object. 12th number question is find the biggest object. Look at the picture. What object is big one? You click that one. Find the biggest object. 12th number question is find the biggest object. Look at the picture. What object is big? What picture is big? Big. You click that picture. Find the biggest object. Twelfth number question is find the biggest object. Find the biggest object. 12th number question. Look at the picture. Watch what object is big. Click that option. We move to the 13th number question. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? Count your finger and choose one answer. 13th number question is what comes after 3? Everyone open your finger, count it and click one option. What comes after 3? Just count your finger, kids. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? 13th number question is what comes after 3? Just count your finger and click one answer. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? Fourteenth number question. We move to the 14th number question. Find the diamond shape. 14th number question is find the diamond shape. Look at the picture. Find the diamond shape. 14th number question is find the diamond shape. Look at the picture and find the diamond shape. Fourteenth number question is find the diamond shape. Look at the picture, click one option. 14th number question is find the diamond shape. 14th number question is find the diamond shape. Look at the picture, click one option. We move to the 15th number question. Count the given object and choose one option. Look at the strawberry. Count the strawberry and click one option. 15th number question is count the given object and choose one option. Count the strawberry and click one option. 15th number last question is count the given object and choose one option. After choosing the option, you have to submit your paper. After completing this question, you have to submit this option. You have to submit the paper. You have to click the submit option. Everyone completed? If you completed, show me a thumb. Yes, okay. Show me a thumb if you completed. Show me a thumb. Okay. After completing, you have to submit. There was a submit option was there. You have to click that option. Parents, did you submit the question papers? Okay. What about others? Ritika, did you finish, Kana? Or any doubt will be there? Ask me.
Ma'am, this is Jashna's parent.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for one question, the answer key you have given is wrong. So it has shown as wrong.
What?
For the question which comes before 6,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
uh, we have entered the right answer, but it's showing us wrong. Is it okay?
Okay, no issue, ma'am. Let it be, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
What about the others?
For us also it is like that only, ma'am. Satvik's ma'am.
Same queries for
Yes,
everyone.
For us also the same thing, ma'am.
question number 9.
Only one parents, can you please tell me? Satvik mom, do you also have the same issue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about the others?
Yes, ma'am, from Nishwant.
Everyone have the same
Also.
issue about that question.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
comes before 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will check with that. It's okay. Everyone submitted that question paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no issue, no issue.
Ma'am, Harshik also don't tell two more question, ma'am. So I can select wrong answer for that question.
Okay, okay, fine.
Uh,
Okay, no issue about this, ma'am. So we check the question paper and we let you know about this afterwards. Thank you so much. Everyone submitted? Okay, everyone submitted. Thank you so much. Okay. Everyone remember that rhymes I taught you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.